Hey everyone, this is Brianna Daughtery, and I'm here to talk a little bit more about some cyberbullying. I know we often talk so much about bullying, but I think a problem in our society today would be cyberbullying, which we have not talked much about as a faculty. Here are some facts. Cyberbullying has increased more recently simply because the use of electronic devices in students have also increased. The more phones they have, the more cyberbullying they are able to do. Those who are the most common target for cyberbullies are children, young adults, especially girls, students, and members of the LGBTQ community. Cyberbullying is spreading like a virus among students. Cyberbullying is something that is much more dangerous than we ever could have anticipated, simply because cyberbullying is something that one person can look at and share it with 1,000 other people in a matter of seconds. Whereas our typical bullying slash fighting in school is something that you had to physically go and tell somebody was happening. Both are wrong. However, cyberbullying, I believe, is becoming a much bigger problem in our society. So, there are 10 forms of cyberbullying, some of which I had not even heard of, so I wanted to make you all aware of them. 1. Exclusion. Simple. People are excluding other students, leaving them out. 2. Harassment. Obviously, we are aware of that as well. Harassing another student. 3. Outing. When even a faculty member is reading something on a student's phone out loud, that is outing the student. 4. Cyber stalking someone. Oftentimes, girls our age or girls that are the same age and in high school are looking to other ones. They're cyber stalking someone. They're knowing their every move, their every outfit, their every whereabout, things like that. 5, which is frapping, which this one I wasn't really sure as to what it actually was. So the term frapping is similar to it is the same thing as logging into someone's account, using their password, getting in, acting like you are someone that you're not, saying things that shouldn't be said to someone else that the original person is not actually saying. Number 6, creating fake profiles for students, saying hurtful things. So say boy A likes girl A, and then boy B decides to create a profile and pretend that he likes girl A, saying he's boy A. It's confusing, crazy, but it's really becoming well known. Number 7 is dissing. We all know what that is. 8, trickery, tricking someone into believing something else. We don't want to do that. Number 9, trolling, and number 10 is catfishing. So these are all forms of cyberbullying. So here's some statistics that you would be surprised at the result of staff that are unaware of cyberbullying occurring. Oftentimes we're unaware of it because we don't see, students don't necessarily add us to social media. Should students add us to social media? There's pros and cons to it both ways. But in January of 2015, 49 states have enacted in bullying prevention laws. Um, there were also some research done that from cyberbullying being aware in daily weekly cyberbullying reports increased from 7.9% in 2010 to 12%. Monthly cyberbullying reports increased from 9.4% in 2010 to 14.9% in 2016. Occasional cyberbullying reporting increased from 45% in 2010 to 54% in 2016. And then never reporting cyberbullying decreased by 18% from 2010 to 2016. This was somewhat of a I don't want to say shocked, but somewhat of they found odd in the statistics that I was reading. And why? Why do they find that odd? Why are students reporting or not reporting cyberbullying? Are they not open to talk to us? Are they not feeling as if something's being done? Do they feel as if teachers aren't going to make a change about things? So these are all things that we as faculty need to step back and think about. So here's some truths and awareness. This is super sad for me to sit and think about, and it's upsetting, and I would like all of you guys to know this as well. Some of us grew up in a world where social media was not the main cause of cyberbullying. We didn't have to worry about that, but however, now it's becoming a big problem. It is taking the lives of our students in forms of suicide, self-harming them, and we have to put a stop to it. I did find this really awesome link. It wouldn't let me copy and paste the actual picture, but this is something I feel like we should all post in our classrooms. These are 10 tips to stand up for cyberbullying. So something that we need to do is we need to encourage our students to report it to the school, collect evidence, so, take a screenshot, save it, do something so that we are able to document it and have it on file. Report it to a site. On Facebook, it's a simple click. You can report a comment. Talk to a trusted adult. That's our job. That's where we come in. We should be the trusted adult for our students to talk to us and let us know if they feel this is happening. So number 5 was demonstrate care. Show them that they're not alone. Show them that it's happening. Talk to them. Show them statistics if that's what it takes. Show our students that we care. 6, work together. How can we, as a faculty, work together to solve this? Can we put on performance? Can we put on a program showing students? And number 7, simply tell them to stop. If you know, have our students be able to tell another student to leave them alone. 9 times out of 10, if they just don't listen to it, people are going to keep doing it. But if a student stands up for themselves, tell them to stop. And number 8, something that we want to tell our students to do, don't encourage it. Tell them if they see something to put a stop to it. Don't relay the message on to someone else. Number 9 is to stay safe. Something that we want our students to do and we want them to know that they should do is don't put themselves in harm's way. Emotions are high. Emotions are high when you're in middle school and high school and even elementary school. So it's something that they need to learn to cope with and how we can better equip them to cope with. And then number 10 is to tell them to not give up. Think about what they can do to stop. What's something that a program that we can enable and push and believe in order to spread awareness about cyberbullying. So many students are taking their own lives that it's something that we need to stop now and have them do, because otherwise they are getting very upset and they are harming themselves, and then parents are losing their children, students are losing their friends, and all around that's bringing into something. But it just spreads so fast like wildfire, and I believe it's something that as a faculty we can discuss how to create a safer environment even outside of the walls of our school when it comes to cyberbullying.